Hello all, welcome again to our YouTube channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming this bed that I did transform some years ago. It was a wooden bed, then this was the design the client wanted, but now she's tired with this design and she wants us to transform it into a bubble bed, and that is what we are going to be doing in this video today. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to visit our channel. We have a variety of videos whereby we do makeover videos, transformation videos, DIYs and many more. Our YouTube channel has a variety of videos. You can learn one or two from us because we educate people and you learn something from us. Anyway, you can consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So the first thing we normally do usually is taking measurements, disassembling the bed, then start doing the modifications, because I call it modifications because this is more of modification or transformation or makeover, whichever name you will use. So after doing these modifications that you see, we are going to be starting doing the makeover. In this video today I've combined two videos whereby I did make two different bubble beds. This was the first one, and then the second one I'm going to be showing you towards the end of this video. Again, consider liking the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family, and that will really boost our channel. This was a 5x6 bed, and we normally do it at the client's place. That is, we come in the morning, and afternoon or late evening we will be done with this transformation. Yeah, so it's a one-day job and we do it at the client's place. That is, if you are interested in such services, you can just DM me and I will give you my contacts, or I can give you how you can, or I direct you how you can reach us out so that we can come and do this service for you. Anyway, enjoy the video and tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole bed transformation, and I will definitely see you in my next videos. Bye bye.